Hello, Sundari. Today's video is dedicated to Arushi Kalra because she left this comment, and this video is dedicated to all of you that always ask me, how do you do that? We're gonna start off with a clean face, moisturize well, and then I like to use two foundations. I feel like this is what makes your skin look natural. I like to use the lighter one in the center of my face, and then I like to use the darker one on the outside where exactly I tan. I feel like this creates a very good dimension, and it kind of tricks your eye into thinking that you don't really have a lot of makeup on because there's a sort of a gradient. So after applying this straight from the tube, I'm going to blend this out. First, I'm going to blend out the central portion with the lighter foundation, and then I'm going to blend out the outside with a little bit of the darker foundation. Make sure to blend this very well, and then I'm going to take all of that and blend that into my neck because that is another thing that makes it look fake. Now we are going to concealer. Do not put your concealer in a triangle if you want it to look natural. That is for pictures. This is for real life. Try to apply concealer only where you need it. I need it the most on the inside portion of my eye, so I just apply it there and then blend it out. Please do this if you want a natural look and not something that looks very stark. Then I'm going to use this blush, bronzer and highlighter trio by Sugar, and I use this is very good. You guys can definitely try this. I like to apply my blush first on my cheeks because I have very predominant cheeks, and then this is what makes it look natural. Okay, you apply some blush on your nose. This mimics your natural flush. You know, when you run or do anything, not only do your cheeks blush up, but it's also your nose. Then I'm going to take the bronzer, and I look at myself when I've tanned, and these are the places where I actually tan. So I take the bronzer and I apply it there. What you guys can do is concentrate on the outside of your face and apply the bronzer there. I'm not the biggest fan of contouring, and I feel like this is definitely very light, but it does the job well. I'm going to take the same bronzer and I apply it above my crease and I blend it out. I feel like this gives another dimension to your face. I'm going to take the blush a little more. I really like blush. I'm just going to apply it. Then I take the highlighter and I apply it exactly where I applied the blush because I feel like that definitely gives a more natural look as compared to just like, applying it on the highest portions of your face. I also like to apply some on my nose, and then I like to take some and apply it on the inner corner of my eye just to brighten my face up a little bit. For eyebrows, I take this. Focusing on the center portion of your eyebrow first, I like to apply the lighter color. Don't start from the very tip of your eyebrow. It starts looking really fake. And then when I'm done with the lighter shade, I take the darker one and I apply it very gently. Then just brush it out. This gives a very natural filled in eyebrow look, but still it doesn't look too in your face. This is the best I have tried ever. This is a Lakmé Absolute. This one is in the color Nude Hit. Guys, please try this before you buy it. I think you guys will absolutely love it. This is one of my favorite shades. Then I'm going to apply eyeliner. I really hate the Fenty eyeliner, okay? But I'm going to use it because it was like 3,000 something rupees. It was crazy, okay? But I bought it, so I have to use it. I would suggest that you try to buy the Lakme Shine Line. It does the same job, but it's better and it's made in India. And did I mention it's better? Because it is. This eyeliner can never let me do like my job well. I feel like my wing eyes are always so messed up when I use this eyeliner, and today is no exception. I actually forgot my Lakme Shine Line, so I had to use this. But yeah, you will see the disappointment in my face in about 1, 2, 3 seconds. Yeah. Look at that disappointment. Nope, not gonna happen. But it still looks pretty okay, so I guess that's fine. The next thing is mascara. I absolutely love this one by L'Oreal. I try to remove most of the product away from the mascara, and then I like to apply it because it gives you very beautiful eyelashes, but it does not cause clumping. So please concentrate on that. And that's it, we are done. You look glowing, you look amazing, and you look fabulous. I hope you guys like this video. Please let me know what you think, and let me know what you guys want me to do a video next. Who knows? I might just take it up. Bye.